Okay, inequalities. If you see the word inequality, that means something is unequal. So it's not an assumption or that something is equal, okay? Inequality signs look like this, okay? I'm going to show you how to use them. So for example, if I had 1, 2 and 3 in relation to 4, I like the idea of it being a crocodile. If you were stranded on a desert island, would you want to eat me or would you want to eat my mate? You'd eat me because I'm bigger. So you would turn your mouth to eat the larger object. So if we're looking at this, 4 is larger than all of these numbers, so I would turn to eat the larger number. The thing people get confused about is, when should you use this sign? Well, this means that 4 is greater than 3, 2 and 1. Here, to make this line equal to this line, because this essentially here is an equal sign. Can you see here there's an equal sign? I would have to put a 4 on this side as well because, oh, ran out of space. So, because 4 can also be equal to this side, so we need a 4 on both sides to show that 4 can be equal to 4. But it's still greater than 3, greater than 2 and greater than 1. Whereas here, we couldn't put a 4 because this is saying that 4 must be greater than anything on this side. So if we put a 4 here, it wouldn't be greater than itself, so it wouldn't be true. So they're kind of like truth values. You kind of have to put a sign in to show what can and can't happen according to the truth. So for example, say that I had -5 here and -7 here. Now think of it in terms of coldness. This is the thing that catches people out. If it's greater than, it means that it's warmer. So -5 is greater than -7. Think of it in terms of temperature. Would you rather it be at -7 and absolutely freezing cold, or would you have it at -5 because -5 is slightly warmer, so it's greater that you're more warm. It's better, it's greater. Does that make sense? So basically, if you get given something like this, -8 -3, you would turn to eat the greater thing, so the thing that's warmer or larger. So here, if you had 8 and 3, it would be the other way round. So negatives are almost the opposite. They're kind of like the symmetry of positive numbers.